This isn't legal?
It's public parking.
It's not? Are you sure?
Drinking in public.
Huh? No, we're not fishing. We want to fish. Lower teams?
Yesterday.
They're pretty girthy out there?
Real girthy. All on spinners, nothing on bait. I put like 6 or 10 back. Fish behind that bridge on that side.
Little pond in there?
No, the river.
Oh.
Ripping.
Do you want to claw?
No. Yeah, they're not supposed to drink it though.
I don't see no sign.
Strippers are running everywhere.
Really?
You can eat them.
You said strippers? Is he gonna stay there?
That's a good call.
Is it?
No.
It's more of a... Oh, these ones are the good ones.
Yeah, see, these are actual butt plugs. For $30? Yeah.
Probably not.
It's a good pass.
Like that. Oh!
Sister.
Get the fuck out of the parking spot. Gotta figure it out, man.
100% agave tequila de los Altos de Jalisco, Mexico. They got nothing on my Casamigos though. Hey!
All right, boys, check this out. We're all camoed up. We got the eye black on. We got the fucking air horn, and we're at Copper River. Banner wants to hide in a tree. I don't know if my big ass can get in a tree, but
I can get in the tree.
we're gonna get down and dirty right now and fuck with some people with the air horn. I'm set right here now. Ryan, should I run and take their ball? We're gone!
I'm pretty sure they call it Marshall.
Personal for RJ. Lick my balls.
Hey, we're in Shaver Lake right now, baby. Back at it. Party. Back at it. Last time you saw us here, it was Jack's birthday. I know that was a fucking banger of a video, and you guys liked that one.
Sometimes I think that maybe I need to take a piss, and maybe I don't.
Get your guy out of piss.
yes.
We'll get some more montages
Yeah.
tonight. We'll get some more content. All we ask is comment, like, subscribe, whatever you gotta do. Let us know what you want to see. We've been doing all these type of comments lately.
Please comment below, subscribe, like all of our videos, and if you can, share us on social media. That would help us a lot. So, Ferda,
We'll see you
signing out.
tonight.
Yes, sir.
Here's the biggest problem, dude. I'm sexy as fuck.
Yeah.
Can you guys get out of the shot real quick? She'll get her ass beat later. See what I'm
Hey,
saying? So,
that's what I'm saying, big dog.
so check out the ass.
Hey,
baby.
check him out. Hey,
Hey, I feel like I'm in a Nelk video, bro.
hey.
The fucking Ferda boys, baby. The Ferda boys, baby. That's what we're talking about, huh? Yeah.
I'm fucked ass up, bro.
You?
Yeah, me.
What are you having?
What do you want?
Dude, I'm having a good time.
I'm too drunk to stand up. What do you want?
Yeah. I've been drinking tequila and I'm salsa.
It's calling Jack's name. Hey, I think it's your name, actually.
Let's go.
Finish.
Attaboy, Adam. Hey, fingers for the whole fucking bottle. Please. Wow. We can split it. You or die. Or loser kills it.
That's 92 proof in that guy.
Good song.
There's a lot of 92 in there.
3, 2, 1, 2.
Oh! Let's go. Oh no! No way! No way! No way! No! Sailor! 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 Sailor!
You're actually lying.
My guy!
No, you're actually lying.
Shake my hand.
Sorry.
Shake my fucking hand.
Good game. Hey, how do you feel? Let's talk to him. Let's talk to the people. How do you feel right now?
You know what? Full sober.
Say what's up to the Ferda boys.
I need a bed.
I need a bed
ASAP, no Rocky.
See Jackson, look. Hey,
Jackson, wake up.
Jackson, wake up.
I'm laying down.
Anywhere. Bed.
Shout out Ferda, bro. Hey, for the boys, bro. He's gonna knock his tail, bro. He's gonna knock it down real quick. He's gonna break it, bro. It's gonna happen, bro. Gang or don't fucking bang, bro.
Oh! Push a bit, little bit, roll it up, take your hit.
Hey, again! Hey, break it!
Hey!
Why? No!
See, hey, what I said, hey, Ferda gang or don't fucking bang, bro.
Wow. That's how it's done.
Welcome to the vlog. It's your boy RJB.
Oh, little throwback.
Anyways, we're gonna make Spainer special. Vodka cranberry with a little sugar, because I'm a sweet guy. So the Spainer special, vodka cran. All in one. Little simple thing. You get a little bit of ice in here because you want to chill our drinks, because we don't have a fridge in this bar yet. Go buy Ferda merch so we can get a bar. 1 shot of vodka.
Oh my god! Pour
2 shots of vodka.
Oh!
All the ladies love nice guy. So you put a little sugar in it, alright? A little sugar from the nice guys.
Nice guys finished first or last?
Last. Oh, we're solid right here.
Round 4, I think. Spain, it's like straight vodka with some food coloring, I'm pretty sure. I just tried to take a 2-gulper, you know, typical, and it felt like a fucking straight pull of vodka. Oh, Banner, what's going on here?
There's no ice.
It's vodka food coloring.
Straight vodka.
Yeah. Tell me it's not. Take a sip. It's a shot.
No ice. No, this thing's got to be finished.
Hey, guy behind the camera, your turn to take a fucking sip, alright? Take a sip. That's it.
He said, "Oh, that's easy."
Don't fuck your brother right here.
Oh, okay. God blessed Mary and Joseph.
Wow, he just said he loves us. Good for you, man.
Don't fuck your brother, right? Come on now, Jack. I got you. I fucking got you, and I got you too, Spainer. I got everyone. Let's fucking go, because we're for the world, baby. Come on. Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Life's good. Life's good. Life's good. Life's good. Never tell a lot of real shit. Never tell a lot of besides God. We drink up and we smoke, but she always do both.
Question for you. Country music, yes or no? Big no, man. Big no. Country music? Come on. Fuck out of here with that shit. I'll let you take it. I'll let you spray me if we go inside, man.
Yo, wait a minute.
You can spray me. If Austin takes this shot right here, he gets to spray me. Oh, he took it.
Let me just let you in on a little secret here, man. The amount of fucking cap going on.
Austin, spray me right now.
Fuck this motherfucker.
Get his ass.
No fucking way. No fucking way.
These pussies have barely taken their second shot of Casadores and are already gone. It's embarrassing.
Hey, Bubba, you owe.
Bubba, you're on.
What's that?
That's all you
On, let's go.
Hey.
That's a long talk. It's a really long talk.
Hey, he's taking it.
That was a long talk with the captain.
Let me get you. Someone get the arms and the legs. There you go.
Hey, bro, you're
I
on.
got him.
You're on.
I got him. We gotta go. Come on.
I didn't drop him. I got him.
Wait a minute.
Army carry.
What's
Our guy.
Fuck! He's heavy as hell!
He's heavy as fuck!
Fuck him!
Go, run! Go, 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 go! We gotta go. You just hit the call button. No! Oh my god, that's where we gotta go. We gotta get out of here. We gotta go. Oh, we hit the call button.
Diamonds bust out the meter. Niggas know it's beef when I see ya. Know you wish you could, but you cannot be ya. Something tells me you a hoe like Selena. Sliding in the lamb and I'm right down the street. New crib, the hills, and I'm kicking my feet up. Money on the ground, call her made for her to clean up. Don't make a sound, cause we riding with heat up.